Hello YouTubers. Today I'd like to talk about cheap Chinese radios, or in this case, the Baofeng. Amateur radio can be expensive. Thankfully, a company in China named Baofeng has been making relatively cheap radios that work good and durable. They're not fully feature-rich like some of the more well-known name brands like Kenwood, ICOM, but they work. KF5YFD, AF5ME.
KF5YFD, what you need?
Just checking on your progress.
I'm at the road closed sign.
Sounds like you're almost back. As you can see, it works. AF5ME clear. Anyway, they're really good radios, especially for budget-minded and for starters. When you're starting out in ham radio, and not sure what features you do and don't need, these can get you on the air quick and cheaply. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. Please also consider supporting us on Patreon so that we can continue to make more of these videos. And you can also join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.